To download Google Chrome browser, follow the following steps. Open up a browser like Explorer or Firefox. Then type in the URL download Google Chrome. It will take you to this window. Find the one that says download and install Google Chrome. Click on it and it will take you here. From here you are going to click where it says download Chrome and it will take you to this window. Go through the terms and accept. Set Google Chrome as my default browser and accept and install. And that's it. You will have Google Chrome browser in your computer now.